To remove Google account in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the home screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, and then tap accounts and backup. Select accounts, and then select Google accounts you want to remove. Tap remove account to remove Google account. Removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. Continue. Select remove account if you sure. Are you sure? Device protection features will no longer work. Tap OK if you sure. Verify your identity, scan your fingerprint or use PIN. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.